Sure. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to fix unresponsive screen in your Motorola smartphone. If your screen sometimes stuck and it will not giving you response if it is working or not. And friends, applications and your software, it is showing your software is not responding or some kind of this message is showing. So how you can fix this problem? So let's start this video. So firstly, you have to just open your power menu and turn off your device, and when it is completely shut down, you have to press this volume up button and power button at the same time. And when it starts the showing the logo of the Motorola smartphone, just release the power button, not the volume up button. Just keep pressing it, and when it shows the no command, you have to release the power up button. Now press the power button and just one tap on this volume up button. So you can see here it is not working, screen is here, you can't be able to press any screen. So don't panic here, you have to just simply reboot your system now. If you want to go downwards, you have to press this volume button like this, and if you want to press OK button, just reboot your system now, click on OK, the power button. You can see it is rebooting the device. Just wait until it's open. So friends, I am doing this so you will not lose any of your data, including anything in your device. And friends, as you can see, it is successfully rebooted now, and you can see there is no lag or stuck problem. There is no unresponsive display showing here in my smartphone. And if it is does not working, so I will tell you the second method you can do to fix this problem. So there is a format you can do. Format this device by backing up your important things, Google account. So I will tell you in this video. So firstly, you have to just go to your settings of your smartphone, click on reset options. Here it is, factory reset. So it will erase all the data in your smartphone, including your Google account, system, app data, music, photos, videos, and the SD card data also. So before you have to do this, you have to firstly back up all the Google account data and even your SD card also. So you can just do this erase all data, so it will fix your unresponsive display problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.